Welcome to the era of instant thrills and lightning fast scrolls. In a world obsessed with 59-second reels where attention spans are shorter than ever, getting your message across is like trying to catch a shooting star. But fear not. In this video, we are diving headfirst into the art of grabbing your target customer's attention in the blink of an eye. Fasten your seatbelts. We are in a world where everyone wants to be entertained, educated, and engaged simultaneously. The challenge is on, and we are here to decode the secrets of business marketing strategies that make you stand out. But before we begin, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified. Just for your quick info, if you want to upskill yourself, master business analytics skills, and land your dream job, or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various business analytics programs. Simplilearn offers postgraduate program from Purdue University in collaboration with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Through this business analytics postgraduate program, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like prescriptive and predictive analytics, regression, classification, and over a dozen others. That's not all. You also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts in top-tier product companies and academicians from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into a business analytics role as a fresher or moved on to a higher-paying job and profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find the business analytics program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started. We have broken down 10 marketing strategies bound to work in this digital age, starting with the first one, which is education marketing. Education-based marketing is a potent strategy for credibility by consistently offering solutions and insights aligned to your expertise. You automatically build trust with your audience, and this approach is focused on addressing their specific needs and desires, not only establishes credibility but also sparks curiosity about your products or services. Once you have garnered interest, transitioning your resonating audience into a community strengthens your influence, creating a loyal following. In a sense, educational content and community building synergize to rapidly establish credibility and foster lasting connections. Now, moving ahead, we have the second one, which is about market research. Avoid the frustration of misjudging your customers' needs to embracing market research. It's like having a practical crystal ball steering you away from guessing games and towards understanding your audience deeply. Market research not only unveils what customers truly care about, but also equips you to predict trends before they become mainstream. This invaluable skill keeps you consistently at the forefront, ensuring you offer exactly what your customers want. In the business world, research isn't just about seeing what everyone else sees. It's about thinking what nobody else has thought. Now, moving ahead, we have SEO, or search engine optimization. Think of SEO like highly skilled employee in the office whom you want to be associated with. Why? Because much like attention a skilled employee attracts, visibility in business is a valuable currency. In fact, it may be the most crucial one. The key lies in being the first name customers encounter, not the 10th. Moreover, high search engine rankings not only enhance visibility, but also bring about a sense of credibility. It's a powerful statement that conveys, "Trust me." After all, Google places you at the top of their search engine because everyone else recognizes your value. Remember, Google only loves you when everyone else does first. Now, the next one in the list is social media. In the digital age, the question arises, does your business truly exist if it's not on social media? This isn't just a philosophical query, it's a strategic imperative. Social media is the ultimate connector, allowing you to stay engaged with your customers and showcase your brand's personality and charisma. It's not just about technology. It's also about sociology and psychology, a profound insight for a powerful online presence. Moving ahead, we have email marketing. Email marketing is so far from dead. Just take a look at our overflowing inboxes. The "you've got a mail" days Maybe a nostalgic reminder, but the truth is, email marketing holds a unique power that many other channels lack. It enables the creation of valuable personal touches at scale, delivering a personalized experience that resonates with recipients. After all, who does not appreciate a personal touch? Now, next ahead is community. Forge lasting connections with your target customers through community marketing. The second strategy, set to thrive. Create a exclusive space, be it on Facebook, be it on WhatsApp, Telegram, or a custom app, where those who resonate with your content can engage at a deeper level. From events and podcasts to group discussions and meetups, foster meaningful relationships not just with you, but with your business, products, services, and brand. This personalized approach ensures ongoing relationship nurturing with your dedicated community. Moving ahead, we have networking. Maximize your reach by joining at least two business networking organizations. When engaging, maintain a clear focus on marketing and lead generation for your business. Avoid getting sidetracked with internal organizational growth. Remember, your goal is leveraging their networks for businesses' benefits. Stay committed to making business referral networking a strategic part of your business and witness a steady flow of leads and inquiries for your products and services. These timeless strategies ensure success for micro, small, and medium enterprise business owners in 2024. Embrace these evergreen tactics and relish a year filled with leads and marketing success. Now, next ahead, we have contests. Elevate audience engagement and energy levels by captivating contests. These not only boost participation with your brand, but also infuse a sense of fun and excitement into the engagement dynamic. Tailor contests to match your brand's tone, whether quizzes, trivia, or talent-driven competitions. Offer enticing rewards such as your products, services, or memberships to keep participants motivated. Leverage people's love for participation and winning to enhance your brand connection. This strategy, centered on creating engagement, stands out as a top-tier approach for the year ahead. Moving ahead, we have referrals. Unlock a hidden gem in marketing. Tap into your customers' references. Many overlook this powerful strategy as a systematically reaching out to satisfied customers. Instead of pleading for referrals, approach it as your entitlement to leverage their networks. Your existing happy customers hold the key to a high probability of success, as referrals from their boast a 66% high chance of conversion more than other marketing methods. This untapped strategy can be a game changer, potentially rendering other marketing approaches unnecessary. Make the most out of your satisfied customers' networks for unparalleled marketing success. Now, the last one in the list is pay per click. To steal the spotlight and claim instant attention, enter pay per click advertising, a fast track into the forefront. Instant gratification is the name of this game, eliminating waiting game. Beyond speed, it is the precision of targeted traffic that elevates PPC profitability. This strategy places your content directly before your most coveted prospects and customers precisely when they seek solutions your business provides. In the competitive business arena, advertising is the beacon that ensures your prowess is seen and recognized. In the words of wisdom, doing business without advertising is like walking in the void. You know, but others don't. Embrace pay-per-click for a strategically. And with that, we have come to an end of this session on business marketing strategies. Should you need any assistance, PPT, and other resources used in this session, please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to help you at the earliest. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simply.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.